study abroad program, I think, is really unique. It's based in London. We offer students the opportunity to study abroad and do their internship abroad.
And the construction companies that we work with are great. Skanska, Fluor, Turner, Balfour Beatty, Ballymore, all of those major international construction companies like to host our students onto their construction sites. So we have a British Life and Culture class on Mondays. Tuesdays, we're on the street, hard hats, steel-toed boots, visiting construction sites. Wednesdays, we have our Texas A&M classes. Thursdays, we're back on the street, usually either to a law office, a court, an architectural firm, and then on Fridays, we'll also usually have some sort of a cultural trip. For those people that think that study abroad is a vacation, I can assure you that the Department of Construction Science study abroad programs are fun, but they're a rigorous approach to studying abroad. You get 13 hours worth of academic credit, plus you meet your internship requirement at the same time. Constructionarium is actually a joint project between the British construction industry and the academic arm of the British universities.
It's really an amazing thing. They're thrust together. I think the huge benefit of Constructionarium is that it's in London and it's in an Air Force base. It's remote. There's no nightlife. There's a pub they can go to and hang out and work on stuff. But they are worked so hard and tasked in a way that some of these students have never been tasked, where they go finish up their deal, go to bed, get up ready to go the next morning.
It was only like 5 days that we had to build this 3.5-story project. So it was pretty intense. The weather was really cold. You know, coming from Texas, it was like, this is not what I'm used to. But it was rewarding being able to stand at the top of our building and hold our A&M flag. And we had our Aggie war hymn, we all sung it together, and it was like, this is it, we built this is our project.
I think any kid that's gone on a study abroad would come home and say it's life-altering, at least for the kids who've never had those kind of opportunities and may never have that kind of opportunity again.
It definitely was an experience that I would encourage whoever can attend to go ahead and do it. I wouldn't change it for the world.